Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting requirements out of the way so pairing is fast. On your phone, open the Google TV app and sign into the same Google account used on the TV. This links your library and settings. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and that Bluetooth is enabled. This speeds discovery. Once done, confirm the app has location and nearby devices permissions, because the app uses those to find the TV securely and show device names during pairing. Now you begin the active connection. Tap Cast or Devices in the Google TV app and select the TV shown. Once you choose it, the TV will show a 4-digit PIN. The app prompts you to confirm that code so you know you're pairing with the correct screen. Make sure to approve any permission dialogues. These allow remote control, access to media, and input control. If the PIN doesn't appear, refresh Discovery or restart Bluetooth briefly. Then try selecting the TV again. Finish by finalizing preferences in the app. Pick remote control options, sync watch lists, and select profiles so recommendations match. Then test playback and remote functionality. Cast a short video to confirm media streams and input controls work. If something fails, try one key troubleshooting step first. Reboot the TV, your phone, and the router in that order, because many connectivity issues clear that way. If problems persist, make sure both devices use the same Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.